Hey everyone, my name is Suraj. As you seen in our last video, we have just completed website within 5 minutes, and now it's time to connect that website with our CRM. So suppose you have website ready. Inside your website you have implemented your contact form, and now you want to get all the leads from that contact form to your CRM. So how it will be possible within CRM? How we are gonna connect that form with CRM? We'll doing this inside this video and explaining every possible step. So currently we are using Zoho CRM for connecting our contact form with our website and CRM. So for needing this we require Zoho CRM, and one more application is that is Zoho Flow. Both are free. We are using the free version right now and we have taken just trial. So let's follow every step and you will do that integration.
So in our last video, what we have done, we have just created a single page website and hosted it on Netlify. So suppose some customers comes to your website and they just leave the information in your contact form. So how you will gonna get this information in your backend or in your CRM? So in this video, we are gonna connecting this form with our CRM. The CRM we are gonna using, that will be the Zoho CRM, and I'm explaining you everything from scratch, that there is no need to any technical information and knowledge. So for this we just need to create a Zoho CRM account. So right now I have using a lot of Zoho CRM accounts, so okay. So we have CRM here, and we also have website ready. I need to close this tab. We have website. Now we need to connect this form with the CRM. So now we are using the Zoho Flow for connecting this. So here we have to create the flow, and the flow name is website form to CRM. And here we are gonna using the webhook, so it will provide the JSON data. Configure this in URL, and now we don't have to worry about how we need to integrate this. We just need to copy it and paste it here. This one is webhook for getting form response. Okay, so it will update the whole things and connect the form. We don't have to worry about anything, any single step. Okay, so this has connected our form. Now we have to download the file. And we are gonna replacing it. Okay, and again we have to update the file. So right now it's uploading. Now uploaded, it's live. Okay, so now we are gonna testing it. Our form we have just connected. So here we have enabled the test webhook. Suraj, I'm just adding any number. This is test. Okay, so message sent, and now we need to check it's. Okay, so I got the data, and now I need to add one more thing here. Create lead. Inside Zoho CRM, we need to pick this one, create or update lead. Here we need to create the connection and authorize it. Okay, now I am making this live, and let's test this. Okay, okay, so we got the data, and the data is empty right now. We need to check with cloud why it is empty. Now we need to do the same step again. I have to download the file and re-upload the folder. Okay, now we are gonna test this again. We just need to reload the page and test 003. Okay, now it got the data, and we just need to map the data correctly for getting inside the CRM. So let me do one thing. So this is the company. No need to add the phone here. Name should be this one. Name. Message should be inside the description. Description field will be at the last. And we also have to map the phone field. Instead of company, we will add this one, service. We can also customize these fields, so we will get the accurate data. And other thing, we need to add the source, so lead source. For this, we're gonna use custom value base load dot source. That's it. So our probably all of the fields are configured. We just need to retest this. Okay, so let's test this again, and I'll just show you there. Inside lead, I'm deleting all these accounts. Now we have fresh screen of inside lead. Let's test this again. So check we get the data or not. Test 004. Number can be anything. Test by Suraj. Okay. Okay, so here you can see that we got the lead, we have mobile number, lead source, company, and description. So that's it. We have successfully integrated our website form with the Zoho CRM. So as for now, we can just access all the things, and afterwards I'll show you how we can implement the automation, the auto reply and auto WhatsApp through the CRM without using any coding. And if you want to implement anything, just come to us and we'll help you in everything. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Goodbye.